Hey there, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue with Sonos Gen 2 if you can connect it to TV and what you can try to do. So the first thing that you can try to do, and maybe it's going to work out, disconnect everything. So unplug everything, the HDMI, the Sonos, and wait a few minutes, maybe it's going to work out. Some people reported that this even helped for some reason. The second thing that you can try to do, and maybe it's going to work out, so what you want to do is you want to unplug and do the factory reset for Sonos Beam Gen 2. So when you unplug it, take it out, then what you want to do is you want to hold the join/connect button on the back. So you're gonna hold it and then you're gonna plug it back in, and what will happen is that automatically you're going to do a factory reset, and you're going to start seeing that on the top the white light is going to change to orange. It's going to like white orange, white orange, white orange, and then you're just going to release the button for like after a few seconds when you're going to see start happening, and then you're going to perform a factory reset, and then possibly it's going to work with your TV. So you're going to plug it out, then you're going to hold the Bluetooth connect button and you're going to plug it back in, and that's it. So thank you very much for watching, and I hope you're going to have a great day, and goodbye.